Hi, this is my first YouTube video I'm ever making, so don't do hate comments. Please, no hate comments. Hi, this is a fidget toy review video. First, you gotta tangle. These are relaxing and they're great for the bath toys, so I'd give this one a 9 out of 10. Then you got a monkey noodle. These, I just think of them as toys, not really a fidget toy, so I wouldn't recommend buying these, but if you're into stretchy things, then you're gonna like these. Okay, Infinity Cube, 10 out of 10. I love Infinity Cubes. I only have one though. Next, Tangle. These are fun. Mochis, 10 out of 10 for squishiness. You love squishy things. I love the rabbit. Yep, he's talking. Okay, next are Poppets, 10 out of 10. Oh, I forgot to write the mochis. Those are 10 out of 10. So are Poppets. Yes, I just popped out the poppers. Oh. This keeps disappearing. It's a blue pop tube. I also have a yellow one. I don't recommend taking these in a bath. Listen. Sounds like they're connected. There they are, but 10 out of 10.